friends, and welcome to Cabin Fever Crochet with me, Helene. I'm so excited to be here. I thank you for joining me today while I share this exciting event and collaboration that began back in August with Tyler of Arcane Fiber Works. He's out of Alberta, Canada area. He sent me some yarn very generously so I decided to kind of keep this rolling and also do a little bit of giving back with what he sent as well as appreciation and an additional just extra thanks to all of you for coming here for my content, watching my videos, and helping to support my channel. So I'm going to show you what's what, tell you what you need to do at your end to participate in that, and also show you the yarn I have. I'm kind of on the fence, undecided on which one to start first. So one's going to be a larger project, a garment, and then two are going to be accessory types of garments. And there is a 10% off coupon code for your first order, and the code is Cabin Fever Crochet, all one word, scrolled across the screen as you see here, along with the link to Tyler's website, to his YouTube channel, any other related information in the drop-down description section. He is so incredibly talented, and I don't impress all that easily these days anymore, and I really am, from my ordering experience, the customer service, the level of expertise, his incredible talent and knowledge and explanation of the yarn dyeing process, his personable and fun presence, and the amazing photography that he includes from where he gets his inspiration. The yarn content for the number 5 and number 4 weight is 100% extra fine superwash merino. Both the DK number 3 and the fingering/sock weights are on a base of 80% extra fine superwash merino wool, 20% nylon. It's great for sock yarn, garments, helps give added strength and elasticity for that stretch and recovery. And the 4 weights are fingering/sock weight, DK the number 3 weight, which is also to me like really light weight, number 4, and then the number 4 worsted, which is more of an Aran weight, and that is a little bit heavier at 181 yards. Whereas the DK is 218, and then he carries a chunky number 5 weight. I spent all evening one night and then some, and I looked at every single color. He's always coming out with new, and he goes through the yarn dyeing process on his channel. A lot of tips and information if anyone out there is interested in giving their hand at yarn dyeing. And I find the price to the quality of yarn is very reasonable, $24 per hank. He ships worldwide with free shipping to the US and Canada with only 2 or more hanks purchased, which I think is phenomenal, especially considering the cost of shipping these days. All right, so I am going to show you the yarn I got. He has some speckles, and this was actually sent as a gift. He sent 2 of these, and then the others that I had requested, and a bunch of extras. And Tyler, thank you so much. I am so appreciative of everything because it gave me more options, and I'm really excited to work up several projects with your yarn. And then my original is a yarn called Woodland Retreat. Hello. How could I not get that? Oh, sorry for the glare. Oh, my glasses. Okay, don't think of me as a cyborg when that hits my pupil. But I just fell in love with this colorway. I love browns and, you know, the magenta burgundy colors and everything in between. I think that is just going to be beautiful. And then he went ahead and sent 2 of the holiday cheer, which I was also looking at kind of between the two, and he didn't know that at the time, so he sent both. And they are a little bit different in their shades, but I think similar enough that I'm going to alternate the two colors, and they will blend together just beautifully. And then I have some semi-solids to work with. I'm so excited to have these. And these were on my list, and one he sent additionally, which is great because I absolutely, like I said, love this burgundy. I'm going to pull out a little bit. You can see the colors. These are the semi-solids. They're tonal, gorgeous highs and lows to them. That's going to bring out so much depth and dimension, as I absolutely love when I am making projects. And this was one I'd asked for because, you know, they are a little bit different on my computer screen. Mine read a little more on the like a pinky side to this. This is called Hazel. Oh, the teal and the blues. If you go online, check out his teals. And the yarn is very soft, especially when it's unwound from the hank. Here it's very tight, but it is, as he describes on his website, very nice for next to the skin. Those of you who may not know, I am really sensitive to animal hair fibers, and I have sensitive skin in general. No issue with this next to my skin whatsoever. May vary for each person. Again, this is Hazel. It's just a really nice, neutral, but on the cooler side, that will pull so many colors. I think it would go with either warm or cool tones. And so I'm going to put all of these together in one large project. I'm really excited about that. And this is the one I was kind of going back and forth between doing now or next. But either way, absolutely love this colorway, Silent Night. And it's a very interesting blue. It's like a mariner's blue. And again, I mean, this could go with just about any skin tone. And another semi-solid in chestnut. Isn't that stunning? Stunning color. So depending on the lighting, go out, pull out a little bit, pull back a little there. Okay. Very nice, very, very nice. Here's Midnight. So perfect pairing here. How about that? Chestnut, Silent Night, and Midnight. Yeah, he has some two gorgeous grays, a couple of blues. Just quite a range. Oh, I think, is it the lilac? Oh, stunning. And then two more that I'm keeping for the third project. And this is Underbrush. I show you, there's this card, Arcane Fiber Works. Okay. Underbrush. Beautiful. So many levels of green mixed with gray in here. Really incredible. Bring it back a little so you can see the depth. When I go too far in, it tends to blow out some of the colors and makes them lighter than they are in person. So I want to get this, there we go, as accurate as possible. And then I am pairing that with Autumn Drive. Autumn Drive. Pull those greens in here. Such an interesting mix. The ever-changing colors of the season. Beautiful. I was so blown away when his package came and taken really taken with his generosity, and now I have 3 projects that I can work up and share with it through my tutorials with all of you. But I wanted to take that just one step further, and I'm so inspired also to share his generosity. So I'm going to have a giveaway. This is an extra special, and also to celebrate my upcoming 5-year anniversary on YouTube, which is early December. So these 2 are called Fall Feelings, and since it is still fall after all, I decided to share these beauties. And that lilac that I had mentioned, which I do not have, would be amazing with this. We'll pull out these lilac and plum tones that are in it. So you have plum, a little bit of that burgundy going into the burgundy color, grays, like a burnt orange, tan, light, kind of a sunset yellow color. I think that is just absolutely beautiful. And then I thought I would include, it's called Golden Yellow. Since this pairs so perfectly with it, why not? This is all in the DK weight, but it's not a really light DK, as you can see. You know, and it does have, it lofts up a little bit. Once you open it from the hank, it's where it's really tightened. So here where it's loosened up a little bit, you can see it's not a super skinny yarn. I think this is a good middle of the road. You can make something really nice with this. You can make a nice long and wide scarf if you like, border it in the orange color or pipe a little bit of the color in throughout. Might even be enough left over for a hat as well. I don't know, depending on what you would like to make. You could do like a little wrap or a shawlette, whatever you would like. And now to enter for this squishy goodness, it is open almost worldwide as long as your country can receive yarn from the United States. Some exclusions apply, and I also reserve the right to exclude certain countries at my discretion. But just know, if you do win this giveaway and you are out of the United States, you are responsible for any import taxes, fees, duties, etc. I will pay the initial base shipping. Once it gets to you, you are responsible for any other custom fees or otherwise. If that's something you cannot afford, then I'm sorry, but please do not enter because this is going to be a one and done. So for the person that wins, you will have X amount of time to contact me. When I do the winner, I'll let you know that. And if you don't, then that's it. I'm not going to do second chance drawing and all that type of thing anymore. YouTube is not affiliated. You need to be 18 years of age or older. And all of that information also is going to be in the drop-down description section. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot the fine print details of this. It's very important. Okay, number 1, need to be a subscriber to my channel, so go ahead and click that subscribe button, please. And if you would, thumbs up are always appreciated. And clicking that notification bell ding so you will be reminded of all my future uploads. And lastly, the giveaway is good for 1 week only, and it expires 11:59 p.m. Pacific time on Sunday, November 20th. So in the comment section, let me know that you understand the rules and that you agree, and also put in the keyword Arcane, A-R-C-A-N-E, Arcane. All right, well, that is it for today. I am going to get busy on working on my projects. And at this moment, I'm still not quite sure which, but I will get to that. And until next time, take good care, everyone. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. All right, come back again, and I will see you soon.